In today's midweek mindful moment, I wanted to ask you, when was the last time that you just went outside and just kind of looked around at stuff, really observed what was going on? I was just outside a few minutes ago and I noticed just a man shoveling asphalt out of one of the parking lots. And I was thinking, I wonder how many times what is going on around me I don't even notice. How many times I would have walked by and not even really realized that he was there, or gave mindfulness that he was there. And then I wanted to ask you, when was the last time that you actually went outside in nature and just observed nature, looking at the birds and the trees, feeling their energy and observing what's going on right now in nature? So this last weekend, I had an opportunity to experience what's called forest therapy. So we went out into the mountains and huddled up and just observed what was going on in nature and looked at the trees, listened to the wind. There was a creek so we could hear the water, and really just gave notice to what was going on. Then what was interesting is we were told to ask the forest a question. So we actually found a leaf, we infused a question in the leaf, and walked down to the water and let that leaf go in asking for an answer to our question. And then we took 20 minutes and just wandered around to see if there was anything that came to us, anything that came to our mind, anything that prompted us, or any message that we might have been noticing from nature. It's really a neat experience. So I really just wanted to bring mindfulness to that's something that you can do on your own, is to really just become present and just observe what's going on around you. It really does, and it did for me, bring a lot of peacefulness into my heart, peacefulness into my mind. And a lot of times when I'm looking for an answer, if it's just rolling around in my head, it can get a little bit blown out of proportion. But when you're out looking at the trees and looking at the butterflies and noticing different colors and different feelings, when the answer comes, it just comes in a very peaceful way. I hope you enjoyed today's message. Thank you so much for listening, and namaste.